My name is Professor Leonie Heilbronn and I work at the University of Adelaide and the South Australian Health and Medical Research Institute. I did my PhD here in Adelaide back in 2001 and then I moved to the US where I did a postdoc at the Pennington Biomedical Research Centre in Louisiana before returning to Sydney. At Pennington, I was involved in three large multi-centre trials which were involved in looking at how food intake or restricting food intake improves biomarkers of ageing and diabetes. The last trial we did was to look at the effects of alternate day fasting. So this is the first trial in the world actually that actually tested people and their ability to fast for periods of times. It was a 3-week trial and we showed that people who did alternate day fasting improved their diabetes risks as well as cardiovascular risk factors. Most researchers are interested, I guess, in solving diseases once they become a problem, but I'm interested in using food and fasting periods as medicine to prevent disease. We're particularly interested at the moment in using meal timing or time-restricted eating, which is eating within an 8-hour window per day to reduce risk factors for diabetes and cardiovascular disease. There is inequity in obesity. So there are socioeconomic disadvantages, so people who are of a lower socioeconomic status are much more at risk for obesity. High quality food is expensive. There's also a lot of stigma in obesity care. So if you go to the doctors, you're less likely to receive the same quality of care as someone without obesity when you go to the doctor. And so all of these factors, I guess, add up to make obesity a really challenging problem in the world. And I'm very much interested in, I guess, contributing to solve the obesity epidemic. I am super interested in travelling and experiencing new things around the world, and I'm lucky with my job I do get to travel a bit. I went to China last month and got to try a whole lot of new foods. I really also enjoy camping around Australia. There's a lot of places to go and a lot of hiking to do that's always interesting, and as well as going to the gym and cooking.